Chapter 1 Algorithms Flowcharts. In this tutorial, we will talk about the flowcharts. Let's start. What do they look like? Here we have different structures of a flowchart. The flowchart can be used to represent algorithms visually. So, by relying on sight, we can see how this process happens. Pay attention that flowcharts use symbols. What do we mean by symbols? Look at the flowchart below. These are symbols that are in the flowchart. So, this image is a flowchart and it has symbols. The orange, yellow, and purple arrows are pointing at the symbols. These symbols are connected by arrows. Why are they connected by arrows? To show the flow of the algorithm and to see where it starts and ends. Now, pay attention. If you have a bank account and you want to see what is in your bank account, the first thing you need to do is to log in. So you need to enter the customer ID and the password. Every person with a bank account should have the customer ID and the password. Let's say the customer ID is 457000128. And we put the password. This is how it will look like. Now we need to press on login. This is how you will be able to access your bank account. Okay, so now what do you think? Is it possible to represent this process through the flowchart? Yes, we can represent this process using flow diagrams, and we will see how in the upcoming tutorial.